To set up Do Not Disturb mode in Realme 16 Pro 5G, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down to the sound and vibration options, and right here we can find Do Not Disturb mode. Select it, and then you can enable or disable it with this switch. Next thing is the options. We have mute media when Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. It speaks for itself. It will mute all of the media when Do Not Disturb mode is active. Then we have the schedules. You can set up a schedule which will make your Do Not Disturb mode toggle on automatically based on the time and days that you select. To make new one, click on the plus button. To edit already existing ones, just click on them like that. They need to be active to work, by the way. Then we have the exceptions. You can select which things will be able to bypass Do Not Disturb mode. We have calls and messages. Here you can select none. That way nobody will be able to interrupt Do Not Disturb mode. Everyone will be contacts only or favorite contacts only. Then there's apps. You can select which apps will be able to bypass this. We can activate a clock. That means if I receive any notification from my clock, it will basically bypass Do Not Disturb mode. And lastly, we have ring for repeated callers. If somebody tries to call you 2 times during 3 minutes, during the time of 3 minutes, then the call will go through. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.